Let's use slash commands. Slash commands are an advanced way to perform actions in context of content. To initiate slash commands, we're going to hit edit. We're going to click on any line and we're going to hit enter. After hitting enter, you should see a faded message somewhat like this. In this case, it says type slash for quick actions. So I'm going to hit slash on the keyboard and it's going to give me the equivalent of this bar at the top, but in context. All right, so now to do that video player from before, I could just type video, hit enter, and it inserts it in the page. Slash commands are a powerful way to write content rapidly. If I know I need a heading and I want a heading 3 here, okay, hit enter, insert a bulleted list, and keep working from there. You can also do slash commands and scroll through to see what all the available options are. And all of these commands are also available if we select the bar at the top. Just makes it so we don't have to have our hands leave the keyboard if we're doing a long document and typing.